move for clean transport, the Adani Enterprises, the flagship company of Adani Group, has launched the first India's hydrogen fuel cell truck. The first truck was already flagged off in Raipur by the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Vishnu Deo Sai, and has been already used to transport coal from Gare Palma 3 coal block to government-run power plants. This truck has been developed in partnership with top Indian energy tech firms along with automobile manufacturers. Each truck comes with smart digital systems, 3 hydrogen tanks, and which can carry up to 40 tons of cargo covering the distance of 200 km in per fill. What is even more powerful? It emits zero pollution. Unlike diesel trucks that fill our air with harmful gases, hydrogen fuel cell trucks only release water vapor and warm air. And they run with less noise, which makes transportation quicker, cleaner, and more sustainable. Just few months ago, Tata Motors also launched their hydrogen powered truck. This is a major change starting in the Indian transport industry. But why is this shift so important in India right now? Because the air pollution is killing us. Trucks in India make up only 2% of all vehicles, but they make 40% of pollution rather than other vehicles. Due to which India is ranking 14 amongst the other cities in the world, and sometimes in Delhi the AQI goes up to 400 plus, which is very dangerous for everyone. 13% of India's total cargo emissions comes by truck, and 60% of cargo in India is moved by truck. That means if we don't switch for cleaner truck, the pollution will get more worse. As Dr. Vinay Prakash said, that this is a part of our bigger plans of model mines, solar power, automation, and green transport. It's not just about one truck, it is going to change the whole system. So the question is, if big companies like Adani and Tata can do it, why can't the rest of the India follow it? It's a message that India has to change now for cleaner air, more safer cities, and better transportation system. Thank you for watching.